Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing how to remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. So if you have updated your WhatsApp application, then there is no possibility that you can remove this navigation bar here because this one is included or this feature is included once you have updated your WhatsApp application. So what you're going to do first is you have to back up your files here by going to your chat backup, and then you need to back up your files and messages here. Once done, then you can now exit your WhatsApp application. Now, if you really want to get rid of this feature, then the best thing to do here is to uninstall this WhatsApp application. And after you have uninstalled your WhatsApp application, you can go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to install the old version of WhatsApp. This is the best way to get rid of these features, even the WhatsApp Meta AI, because in the old version of WhatsApp, you can see the navigation bar and other features that you want to get rid of with the latest version of your WhatsApp application. So tap this older versions of WhatsApp, and then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and look for that older or oldest version of WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp. So, for example, you want to install the WhatsApp version 2022 or 2023. All you have to do is to click that one. And then after that, it's the same thing. What you're going to do is to download this application and then install this to your device and make sure that you still have a huge storage on your phone device in order for you to install this. And then once you open your WhatsApp application, then these new features, including navigation bar, is not there yet. So this is the best way on how to remove or get rid of this WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.